Good evening, one and all. Today is auspicious Prabodhini Ekadasi, Deva Utthana Ekadasi. On this occasion, we just go through one of the very spiritual stotra, Sri Dakshinamurti Stotram. Isvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bedhad Vibhagine Vyomavad Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. So Dakshinamurti is not a murti or not a form. Dakshina actually means one who is having capability and compassion. Dakshinya and Dakshata. So it is the Guru Murti. Guru Murti is the form of a Guru, spiritual teacher. So he is described as Maunavyakhya Prakatita Parabrahma Tattvam Yuvanam Varsisthante Vasadrushiganair Avrutam Brahmanishtam Acharyendram Karakalita Chinmudram Anandarupam Swatmaramam Muditavadanam Dakshinamurti Mide. So the Dakshinamurti, his Vyakhya means his speech is not like a sound giving speech like what I am talking. Mauna Vyakhya, silent discourse. Prakatita, that reveals the highest Parabrahma Tattvam, highest truth. He is young, Yuvanam, above the time, above the movement of the time. Varsishtante Vasad Rushiganair Avrutam Brahmanishtam. So there are the old seekers who have age old, their bodies have elderly bodies, they are sitting around him. So Acharyendram Karakalita Chinmudram, he is just holding the hand in the Chinmudra. With that symbolism, just with that symbolism without talking, and he is Swatmaramam, established in his own self. Mudita Vadanam, always smiling face. You can see the Guru, Dakshinamurti behind me, my Guru. So the Dakshinamurti Stotram of Adi Shankaracharya, it has about 10 slokas. Quickly we go through each of them. Viswam darpana drusyamana nagari tulyam nijantargatam pasyannatmani mayaya bahirivodbhutam yadhanidraya yas sakshat kurute prabodha samaye swatmanameva dvayam tasmai Sri Guru Murtaye namayidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. So Viswam, Vis is to enter. Viswam is that which can be entered into. So that is the universe. It is Darpana Drusyamana Nagari Tulyam. It is the space in the mirror. It's like a space in the mirror. It is limitless. It can reflect any amount of space. Nijantargatam. It is established within the truth of self. Pasyannatmani mayaya bahirivodbhutam yadhanidraya. Pasyan, it can be seen in the Atma, in the self, by the power of its deluding potency Maya, Mayaya, bahirivodbhutam, as if it is outside, like how we see the dream. Yadhanidraya, while in the sleep, we see the dream. In such a way, yes sakshat kurute prabodha samaye. At the time of revelation, this is what is realized. Who makes such a realization possible? Such a capable and compassionate Guru Murti, Sri Guru Murtaye, who is showing us Sreyas, Sri Guru Murtaye, Namayidam. I bow down, give this profound salutation at the lotus feet of Sri Dakshinamurti. Sri Dakshinamurti is, I told you, that Dakshinya and Dakshata, one who is capable and compassionate teacher. So the next verse goes like this. Bijasyantarivankuro jagadidam prangnirvikalpam punah maya kalpita desekala kalana vaichitriya chitrikrutam mayaviva vijrumbhayatyapi mahayogivaya svechaya tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye namayidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. So, Bijasyantarivankuro. So the Jagat, now we are talking about the Jagat, Jayate Gacchate iti Jagat, which comes and goes is Jagat. In the Vishwam, which is the enterable space, the Jagat is Bijasyantarivankuro. Bijasya. Within the seed, there is a Ankura, means there is a sapling. Bijasyantarivankuro jagadidam prang nirvikalpam punaha. If we cut and see in the seed, there are no leaves, there is nothing, no distinction. Everything is seed only. Nirvikalpam, prang nirvikalpam. Punar, again, maya kalpita desakala kalana. By the imagination of desa, place and kala, the time. Kalana, the movement goes on. Vaichitriya chitri krutam, the whole multitude of tree comes out. Vaichitriya chitri krutam. Mayaviva vijrumbhayatyapi mahayogivaya svechaya. Just like a magician lets it grow. He lets it grow. Vijrumbhayatyapi. Let it create its own distinctions. Tasmai, such Gurumurti. Tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye namayidam. These profound salutations to the great sage, great teacher, Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Yasyaiva sphuranam sadatmakamasat kalparthagam bhasate sakshat tattvamasi iti vedavachasa yo bodhayatyasritan yas sakshat karanan nabhavet punaravrittir bhavambho nidhau tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye namayudam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Yasyaiva sphuranam, by whose vibration, yasyaiva sphuranam, sadatmakam, this whole Vishwam and Jagat combination appears to be truthful. Sadatmakam, asatkalparthakam bhasate. Even though it is only appearing to be true, but it is established within the truth. So, whose vibration or whose light is making this whole thing appear as truth? Who is Sakshat Tattvamasi? So, whoever is approaching him for a teaching, he teaches Tattvamasi with one word, one statement of the Veda. Sakshat Tattvamasi Vedavachasa. Yo bodhayatti. Who teaches like that? To the asritan, whoever approaches him, whoever takes refuge in him. Yes, sakshat karanat. By realizing this truth, by sakshat karanat, na bhavet punaravrittihi. Coming back into this world will not happen. Such teacher, who makes all these things possible? Such teacher, Sri Dakshinamurti's profound salutations. Nana Chidra Ghatodara Sthita Mahadeepa Prabhabhaswaram జ్ఞానం యస్య తు చక్షురాదికరణద్వారా బహిస్పందతే జానామీతి తమేవ భాంతమనుభాత్యేతత్ సమస్తం జగత్ తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమ ఇదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. నానాఛిద్ర ఘట, the pot with several apertures, several holes, like this is the pot. This pot is having several holes, 2 nostrils, 2 eyes, ears, nose, all these things. Inside, Mahadeepa of Atma is glowing. So the consciousness, Jnanam yasya tu chakshuradi karana dvara bahispandate, all this consciousness is going out through these apertures and making everything apparently visible and truthful. Janamiti tameva bhantam anubhati. By that consciousness, light of this consciousness, everything else is glowing, or we are becoming aware of that only through that bhantam anubhati. Etat samastam jagat, all this jagat is being experienced through that knowledge generated from the inward consciousness of the self. Tasmai Sri Guru Murtaye Namayadam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Deham pranam api indriyanyapi chalam buddhincha sunyam viduhu stribalandha jadopamastvahamih bhranti bhrusam vadinaha మాయాశక్తి విలాసకల్పిత మహావ్యామోహ సంహారిణే తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమయుదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. దేహం ఇస్ బాడీ, ప్రాణం ద లైఫ్ ఫోర్స్ ఇన్ దట్, అపి ఇంద్రియాణి ఆల్ దీస్ సెన్సెస్, బుద్ధిం ఇంక్లూడింగ్ దిస్ ఇంటలెక్ట్, చ శూన్యం విదుహు ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ హ్యావ్ నో ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్, దే ఆర్ ఆల్ బిగ్ జీరో. స్త్రీబాలాంధ జడోపమాస్త్వః మిభ్రాంతి భృశం వాదినః. There are people who delude, easily deludable people around it. So woman is included in here just not to reduce their ability, but they are easily deludable. Bala, andha, so the people who can't see, spiritually can't see, those are the andha. Jada, people who can't realize, can't understand. All such people, they get into the discussions of either this body is self, or the prana is self, or indriyas are self, or even buddhi is the self. None of them are the self. మాయాశక్తి విలాసకల్పిత మహావ్యామోహ సంహారిణే. The whole thing, the mahavyamoha, the great delusion is created by the deluding potency, Maya, which really doesn't exist, but it appears to exist. Such a profound salutation to the great Dakshinamurti. రాహుగ్రస్త దివాకరేందు సదృశో మాయాసమాచ్ఛాదనాత్ సన్మాత్ర కరణోపసంహరణతో యోభూత్ సుషుప్తః పుమాన్. ప్రాగస్వాప్స్యమితి ప్రబోధ సమయే యః ప్రత్యభిజ్ఞాయతే తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమయిదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. సో వెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ an eclipse, రాహుగ్రస్త దివాకరేందు, eclipse takes away the sun and moon, makes them null, or they will not be seen. But after the eclipse, they start glowing again. Sanmatra karanopasamharanato, just by withdrawing the consciousness from these senses, the being, the human being, gets into something called sleep, deep sleep. Sanmatra karanopasamharanato yobhut sushupta puman. Pragaswapsyamiti. So at the time of prabodha samaye, when at the time of awakening, gets the pratyabhijna, gets the knowledge that I slept very well. So that is the same I which was there, which appear to not there, and appear again to be there, which comes back to the same position, that pratyabhijnayate. Whose pratyabhijna is that? That is the Guru's. Guru is not different from God, not different from the self. So, this example gives a great this thing. Even though it is not appearing to be seen, the self always is there. Even in the deep sleep it is there. Even when it appears not to be there, not being recognized by the ego, the individual ego, still it is there. Such a great revelation. Profound salutation to the Dakshinamurti, Sri Dakshinamurtaye Gurumurti. Balyadishvapi Jagradadishu Tadha Sarvasvavastasvapi Vyavrittas Swanuvartamanamahamityantah Spurantam Sada Swatmanam Prakatīkaroti Bhajatam Yobhadraya Mudraya Tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye Namayidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Balyam, the childhood, and then Yavanam, Kaumaram, Vruddhakyam. So in all these different stages of the body's avasthas, as it grows, there is a I which is saying, I am the same boy, I am the same young lad, I am the same middle-aged man, I am the same old man, I am the same person who is going to die at some point in time. Jagradadishu, I am waking up, talking, Sushupti, completely in deep sleep, dreaming, Jagradadishu, all these avasthat, Sarvasva avasthasvipi, all these transformations, Vyavrittas Swanuvattamanamaham, Aham, I am, I keep referring to I am. So this I am, antahspurantaha, for everything, the I am vibration is the first vibration. So that I am is independent of this body, this mind, indriyas, everything, all the transformations body, mind and intellect are going through. Swatmanam prakatīkaroti bhajatam. So whoever takes refuge in a great teacher, Dakshinamurti, he makes this aham, the real true self, to reveal itself to those people by the bhadraya mudraya, by giving them mauna vyakya, just by the looking at them, he can grant internal realization. That is the efficacy, that is the capability of the Dakshinamurti. Profound salutations to Dakshinamurti. Visvam pasyati karya karanataya swaswami sambandhatha Sishya acharyataya tadhaiva pitruputraha adi atmana bedhataha swapne jagrativa yesha purusho maya paribhramitaha tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye namayudam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. Visvam is the universe. Pasyati, those people see. Karyakaranataya, with cause and effect. Swami sambandhataha, me and my Lord. Sishya acharyataya, Sishya acharya. Sishya acharyataya. Tathaiva pitru putradi. So all these distinctions, differentiations, are the differentiations created, assumed within one Atma. Atmana bedhataha. Swapne, in the dream, Jagrativa, while in waking. Yesha purusho maya paribhramitaha. Revolving in the maya, samsara of deaths and births and deaths and births. Tasmai Sri Gurumurtaye namayidam Sri Dakshinamurtaye. So, finally it comes to Bhurambhasyanalo nilombara maharnadho himam suppuman ఇత్యాభాతి చరాచరాత్మకమిదం యస్యైవ మూర్త్యష్టకం నాన్యత్ కించన దృశ్యతే విమృశతాం యస్మాత్ పరస్మాత్ విభో తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమయిదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. భూ అంభసి భూ అంభసి అనలో అనిలో అంబర పంచమహాభూతాస్. ఎర్త్, వాటర్, ఫైర్, ఎయిర్ అండ్ స్పేస్. మహర్నాథో హిమాంశు పుమాన్. మహర్నాథ సన్, హిమాంశు మూన్, పుమాన్ ద ఇండివిజువల్ బీయింగ్, పురుష. These are the 8 distinctions, Ashtamurti, Ashtaprakritis. The 5 make up the external world, 3 make up the internal world, Buddhi, Ahankara, Manas, Mano, Buddhi, Ahankaras. They are represented, Manas is represented by the moon, Buddhi is represented by the sun, Ahankara is represented by the individual soul. ఇత్యాభాతి చరాచరాత్మకమిదం యస్యైవ మూర్త్యష్టకం ఇతి ఆభాతి. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ అపియర్స్. చరాచరాత్మకమిదం యస్యైవ మూర్త్యష్టకం నాన్యత్ కించన విద్యతే. దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ ఎల్స్. నాన్యత్ న అన్యత్ కించన. దెర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ ఎల్స్ బియాండ్ దీస్ 8 మూర్తిస్. విమృశతాం యస్మాత్ పరస్మాత్ విభో తస్మై శ్రీ గురుమూర్తయే నమయిదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. సో ద పీపుల్ హూ వాంట్ టు వర్షిప్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ అష్టమూర్తి తత్వాస్ ఆఫ్ శివ, దే ఆర్ ఆల్ వెల్కమ్ టు వర్షిప్. సో వర్షిపింగ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ రాంగ్ ఆఫ్ ద నేచర్. దిస్ అష్టమూర్తిస్ ఆర్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ ద సుప్రీం. సో we have gone through the 9 verses and finally Falasruti. What is the use of doing this? Sarvatmatvam iti. This is Sarvatmatvam, universal soul, single soul. Sarvatmatvam. Sputikrutamidam. So this sthavam, whatever the stotra we have gone through, this sthavam makes very evident of something called Sarvatmatnamitam. Idi స్ఫుటీకృతమిదం యస్మాదముష్మిన్ స్థవే. దిస్ స్థవ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఐహికం స్థవే. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ సంథింగ్ టు ద గాడ్ ఫర్ సమ్ వరల్డ్లీ బెనిఫిట్స్. సో తేనాస్య శ్రవణాత్ తదర్థ మననాత్ ధ్యానాచ్చ సంకీర్తనాత్. తేనాస్య శ్రవణాత్, ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ టు హియరింగ్ టు దిస్ స్తోత్ర. తదర్థ మననాత్, remembering, recollecting, repeating the meaning of it. Dhyanat, contemplating over the meaning of it. Just sankirtanat, it was a singing back, speaking loudly, teaching to the others. This is 4 steps. So, tenasya sravanat, sravanam comes first, listening to it. Tadartha mananat, remembering, recollecting the meaning comes the second. Dhyanat, contemplation comes the third. Sankirtanat. So, doing that, what it will give? Sarvatmatva mahavibhuti sahitam syadiswaratvam swatasiddhet punarashtadha parinatam aishwaryam. పునరష్టధా పరిణతం చైశ్వర్యం. అష్టధా పరిణతం చ ఐశ్వర్యం అవ్యాహతం. సో సర్వాత్మత్వ మహావిభూతి సహితం, ఎలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ సర్వాత్మత్వ భావం, ఎవ్రీవేర్ రామ, ఎవ్రీవేర్ సుప్రీం. ఎలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ విభూతి సహితం స్యాదీశ్వరత్వం పునః, లార్డ్షిప్, కంప్లీట్ లార్డ్షిప్ ఆన్ everything. Swatasiddhet, on its own it comes. Ashtadha parinitam, all 8 siddhis, anima, mainima, etc., etc. That Aishwaryam, those are the Aishwaryas. Ishwaratvam, Ishwara is having 8 siddhis. Aishwaryam avyahatam, without any obstruction, without unending, unceasing, avyahatam. So, that is the stotram of Sri Dakshinamurti. So it keeps on saying something called Maya. So the Maya, what Sankara says in the Maya Panchakam, 5 verses, it ends with a makutam. So, aghatita ghatana patiyasi Maya. So Maya is nothing but that which makes impossible to appear as possible. So in my own understanding, I say it as negating the negation. Not Brahman is not possible. So not of not Brahman is not Brahman. So when I say not of not, negate the negation, it will not become positive. It becomes an apparent positive. So Maya is nothing but double negation, negating the negation. So aghatita ghatana patiyasi Maya. There is only one universal truth. No. So there is a differentiated appearing truth. That is what appears is this world. So sarvatmatvam is chideva dehastu chideva loka chideva bhutani chidindriyani karta chidit antah karanam chideva satyam paramatma rupam. Chideva deham, this body is consciousness. Chideva loka, all the worlds are chit, consciousness. Chideva bhutani chidindriyani. In the dream, there is nothing other than dreamer's consciousness. Everything in the dream, what is seen as space, what is seen as the world, what is seen as different items, radhas, ashvyas, whatever are there in the dream and dream observer, everything is consciousness. Same way what we see, the whole thing is here consciousness. So that is the sarvatmatvam. The nataka, the picture, the world vyapara, the transactions within the world go on as they go on. It doesn't matter. Nothing touches the consciousness behind. So Sarvatmatva Mahavibhuti has been granted by the great Gurus in simplest possible terms in this stotra. So let the grace of Sri Gurumurti Dakshinamurti be on each and every being here, nothing but a reflection of the same soul, same self. On this Prabodhini Ekadasi, this is the evening. Tomorrow is the Chiluku Dwadasi or Kshirabdhi Dwadasi, which is one of the most auspicious days to worship Lord Vishnu. So Lord Vishnu is nothing but Lord Dakshinamurti. So who is nothing but my Guru seeing behind me, who has most undeserving person like me has been granted with this knowledge. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Thank you for watching.